In this video, let's see how to create a ringless voicemail campaign. In the navigation bar, click on Voice Outreach. In the Voice Outreach section, click on Create Ringless Voicemail to create a new campaign. In the form, enter the campaign name. Select a callback number from the drop-down menu. Select a voice to send in the campaign. You can add new voices from the voice section in the menu if wanted. Select recipients from the drop-down list to share the campaign. Click the Continue button at the bottom of the form. Review the details of your ringless voicemail campaign, including recipients, estimated credits, and selected voice. You can either choose to schedule the campaign for later or start it now. Click Start Campaign to initiate the campaign. The campaign is now successfully initiated. In the pop-up, click View All Campaigns to see the list of your campaigns. You can view the details of the campaign using the View button. That's all about creating ringless voicemail campaign. Thank you for watching.